Yes, this is going to be a short video on how to install TIA Portal, which is the Siemens IDE for programming Siemens range PLCs. TIA is an acronym for Totally Integrated Automation, which is indicating that everything you need for automation is within this IDE. You can program PLCs, you can configure HMI panels, and you can also configure drives, so frequency converters that's used to control the speed of electrical motors. Well, if you want to install this, what you have to do first, this is a virtual machine. What you have to do first is to locate where you have saved your software. So let's go start, Windows E, Explore. So what I have, I put it down here in my D drive, which is my data drive. I have two versions here, which is version 16 and 17. So what you have, if you are looking at 16, so what's going to be used for this course is the version 16 Professional. As of 2022, now in March 2022 is version 17. That's the latest version. So when you open here, this is the program you're going to run it as an administrator. You've done that. This is going to appear on your desktop if you choose so, version 16, and there's going to be a simulator. Now I have the 17 simulator, but the 16 simulator, well, that's going to be here if you also install this program. These two you have to install. So then you get simulator for version 16. I have the 17 here. The Automation License Manager and the TIA Portal. I'm not going to do the installation here because I have already installed this software. It's going to take some time, and you are going to have to get some questions as you install this. Make sure to just answer yes on most of these questions. At the end, he is going to, or the installation program is going to ask you if you want to install the licenses for the software. That you can answer no to, because you can install the licenses afterwards. So that's the installation. It's a pretty lengthy process. It's taking quite a long time, so you have to be a little patient. So when you've installed the software, you have the license manager here. So we are just going to open a license manager. Yeah, I can upgrade some. You will not get this answer, but here is a license disk. Usually you get a license on a USB stick that you put into your PC, and here are the license that's on the stick. The licenses we are using, and this is just an extract of the licenses we have. So you need this one and the simulator. At least you can install all of the licenses. Install the license just to select the one you want. Just point at one and use the control key to select the rest of them, and to install them, just drag them over to your C drive. Okay, I didn't do it because I have these licenses on my C drive. So when you have done this, of course, then you just dismount or release your USB pin and remove that. So when that's done, you are ready to start the TIA Portal and start to work on the program here. Yes, so this was just a quick introduction. I didn't show how to install the software. I just show with the files that you have to use to install it, and then you have to install the license after that. So there are two at least two things you need here. That's the professional package, TI Portal, and then you need the simulator. The simulator is a virtual PLC that's running on your PC so that you can test your programs. Yeah, and you need licenses for this. You can install those.